know you are Dada's first pick. If there's something happen, Dada will pick you. You know that? Grabe yung sad ni Tami. Nag-text agad na miss daw niya ako. Ganon. Yun yung pinaka-ano na, naghiwalay kami ng... Kasi day, ang hirap day maglaba day. Itagap yung iba day.
Good morning, Philippines!
Friday morning. And yes, ang ginaw, 40 plus degrees sa labas. Ang ginaw. Katatapos lang namin kumain, guys. Maginaw na talaga, guys. And then, kailangan yung grass sa labas. Yung grass sa labas is mataas-taas na din. Meron lang akong tinitignan dito. Anyway, good morning. So, I will see you later. Kailangan ko lang itong tapusin bago umalis si Tami. You stay over there, okay? I'm just gonna finish my edit. Anyway, so yun, guys. And umalis na si Tami. Katapos lang ako nag-edit ng 2 video. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa baba. Maglagay ako ng floor mat. Yung binili namin kahapon ni Tami. Hindi natin disturbuhin si Senyorito Roxy. Senyorito Agato. Hay. Okay, Mama's going downstairs. So, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya ha kapag natapos na. Kasi, kailangan ko talaga siyang lagyan ng floor mat. Yung binili namin kahapon. Para yung floor is hindi na siya, parang hindi na magkaano-ano sa, kasi naglalagay ako dito doon ng PP pads, dimples na yan. Kasi paminsan talaga, hindi paminsan, most of the time, nagwiwiwi si dimples doon. And kaya, nilagyan ko ng PP pads, so doon siya sa PP pads. For some reason, guys, hindi siya nagwiwiwi sa bin, kung saan ko nilalagay yung leather. Kung saan ko nilalagay yung leather nila, yung toilet nila. Si Dimples, hindi talaga doon nagwiwiwi. Hindi ko magets. So, ngayon, yung floor mat na yan, katulad ng floor mat sa atin na kapag maano ng tubig, doon lang siya sa ibabaw. Hindi siya magsusok patungo sa ilalim sa floor. So, kaya yun yung binili ko. Kahit mahal siya, guys, para doon lang talaga siya. And si Dimples, kapag ayaw niya yung mga ganon, yung parang naano niya yung mga wiwi niya. So, ayaw niya. So, baka babalik siya sa leather box. So, sana babalik siya sa leather box para hindi na tayo magkonsumi. Para, linis ng linis talaga ako dito palagi. And, kaya ngayon, linisin ko yung buong floor, and i-vacuum natin, and then, meron kaming cleaner na parang isprayhan mo siya, and then isusok yung tubig, at saka iba-brush. So, yun yung gagawin ko, and ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya after, okay? I will see you guys later. Ang bahay ko is sobrang ginaw. And then, sa labas is sobrang nice as in. So, I guess I have to open the window that the warm air coming in. Because inside our house, it's cray. Yes! Open the window. My neighbor is cutting the grass. Me, I don't cut the grass yet. I will cut the grass probably... Itong basa, guys, is tubig ito. At saka yung chemical. Ano ko lang siya. Ang gagawin ko kasi hindi pa siya nagda-dry. Ay, hindi na ako makapaghintay ng ilang oras pa. So, in-scrub ko dito, guys. And then, I let it dry. So, ngayon, hindi talaga siya dry. Yung iba is andito pa. So, ano lang natin. I-wipe. And then, yun. Ready to go. Ilagay natin yung floor mat. Pasensya na talaga, guys. Yung ilong ko, guys, is super talagang, ginoo ko di ilongan. Ginoo ko di ilongan eh. So, ito yun siya guys. Ito yung klaseng floor mat na kinuha namin. And, yeah, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hindi siya nag-ano guys, hindi siya umabot doon. Kaya, dito lang siya. Inano ko siya para may extra ba dito. Para kung anong mga gagawin ng pusa. Dito guys, malinis man ito dito. May ano lang dyan, oh, parang iwan ko. And may ano dito, storage. I-tiles sa future guys. Dito i-tiles namin to kasi gusto kong i-tiles. Pero for now, yun yung binili. Gusto ko sana dito ilagay yung ano guys ba, yung tawag nito, yung laundry. Kaso, lahat ng ano, andun sa taas. And ito yung patong taas. Hindi pa talaga tapos itong wall. At ito dito. And yeah, so ito, hindi ko alam kung anong ilalagay namin dito ni Tami. Baka ganito rin. Punta tayo sa taas. Gabi na guys. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys kasi mag-edit na lang ako ng video. Let's go. Keep going up. Isama ko lang tong dalawa. Sian, Misty? No. You're not going in there. She like to go to the bathroom. And I don't know why. Close this bathroom.
3,000 years later.
Today is Saturday. Hello, good morning. So, nakaano ko kasi ang ginaw. You know what? Gusto kong isulat kung ano yung mga dapat gawin ko. Gusto kong magluto ng udong. Yung yellow na taas na pasta, udong. And then with sardines. Gusto ko talaga yan. Pero wala akong makitang udong dito. Iwan ko kung bakit walang udong sa Asian store. Yan ko. Gusto ko siyang lutuin talaga. Pero, iwan ko. Hello, Day. Unsa mo? Sisudan ninyo? Nagwa man kanito ba ganina, nitawag ko? I cannot doing my video because he is always here. Look. Not in the table, ha? Itong lalaking to. Ay, nako. Nako talaga. Ay, nako. I guess I have to wash Mama's robe, huh? Because now it's gonna be a lot of here. What a baby are you, huh? I cannot eat it. I'm editing and also watching the TV on my cell phone, and then this one crying. What do you want? It's still very early. It's 10 o'clock, and then you're looking for food. It's very early. It's spoiled. I think I'm going to change the yung gate. Kasi talagang magpunta siya dito without my permission, huh? Without my permission, huh? Is that what you doing, huh? Without my permission, huh? I love you, mana. I love you even though you're Scotch, Pabayaan natin siya kung anong gagawin niya. Look, he's rubbing his head into my hand. And he's sliding everywhere. He's sliding everywhere. Look, he want to lie down. He want to lie down. Look. Hello, ginoo ko. Pagka-sweet naman yun ba? Sweet mo no, Mama's little boy, right? No touching Mama's face, okay? No touching. Oh, no touching. No touching, yes. No touching, Baba. Toes, you want to kiss me. Oh, you want to kiss me. I will kiss you. Okay, you can lay down like that. Okay. That's good. Yeah, you are such a baby. Oh, you're no touching, Baba. No touching. I'm not touching Mama's face, Baba. Why? Why you doing that? Oh my God. Oh goodness, he is so freaking sweet. No wonder Dada loves you very much. You know you are Dada's first pick. If there's something happen, Dada will pick you. You know that? He told me. Dada told me he will pick you. He will pick you first. No wonder. You're such a loving little boy. Loving little boy? No, loving little boy. You want to kiss me? You want to kiss me? He's so loving. He loves me so much that I know. I know you love Mama. I know you do too. You know, cool. He's been with me since he was a kitten, like a tiny one. He's been with us, and I'm the one always carry and hug and cuddle up with him. And I guess he doesn't forget. He remembers everything. Look at this. He remembers, always remember that Mama is your Mama. Huh? I'm your Mama. I'm your Mama. Yes, I know. I'm your Mama. I'm your Mama. I know. Oh, I'm your Mama. No touching, baby love. Don't grab Mama's robe. Oh, you're gonna ruin it. Real talk, guys. It's better to love an animal than loving a person. That's true. And they are very loyal than human. Animals are very loyal than human. And that's the reality. Real talk. Oh, nako. Don't ruin my robe. No, you're gonna ruin Mama's robe. I don't even wear this all the time. Roxy's whining downstairs. No. He's kneading and he wants to knead and I don't let him because he's gonna ruin my room. Okay, now get down now. Are you going to get down? Your sister is crying downstairs, you know. Down. Don't bite my ear. Don't beat my ear. Don't beat my ear. Don't beat my ear.
Epilogue. Log.
Ito sila guys, kapag maglalaro, parang mga manyak. Mga manyak man kayo. Ganyan sila maglalaro. Iwan ko na lang, kita ninyo. Hala, harut-harutan, magharutan, pagkatapos niyan, maghabulan, pagkatapos niyan, magharapan, magsagutan. Ganyan yan sila. Pati yung pusa natatakot na sa buhay nila. Ang isa nakahalik sa puwit. Look, yung resulta, humalik sa puwit. Dimples, why are you licking a puwit? Dimples' face. Are you not happy of the puwit smell? Hi, Dimples. That's Hub's puwit. Ito guys, yung camera ko guys, nagloko. Yes, hindi pa ako naliligo. Ito guys, mabigat din itong comforter. Hala, ang laki nito guys. Hala, ang laki. Ba't parang may dumi dito? Ano lang yan, dust. Maganda ito guys kapag winter guys. Look, itong dalawang comforter. Iba-ibang color. Purple at saka may pagka-blue. Hi! Hello guys! How are you guys? Hi! Matagal na itong bigay ni Tami sa akin guys. Nagka-lipstick na gani dito. Oh. Ito yung palagi kong hinigaan. Noon, binigay ito ni Tami sa akin. Kailan ba yun? I think yung 2012. Yeah, I think 2012. Umalis ako na grabe yung sad ni Tami. Nag-text agad na miss daw niya ako. Yun yung pinaka na naghiwalay kami ng 2 buwan. And na-miss daw niya ako. Hindi pa nga ako nakalipad sa aeroplano. Na-miss na daw niya ako. Nanibago daw siya. Nung pag-uwi ko, ito. Hug me. Hug me. Meron tayong little Timmy, guys. Little Timmy. Oh, mahirap labhen. Hoy, istipot ba? Hinako talaga. Sad. Sad face man yan, oy. Ayaw ko glabda moment. Guys, ayaw ko glabda. Daghang labunon. Ang daming labunon. Alam niyo ba kung anong gagawin ko? Itatagak yung iba. Ayaw jud ko glabda day. Kasi day, ang hirap day maglaba day. Itagak yung iba day. Itagak day, itagak. What are you doing, Mama? Roxy? Ayaw ko glabda. Ayaw ko glabda. Natakot si Roxy. Alam ka diha, Rox. Muna giingon, Rox. Naway kaundangan, Rox. Yeah. More labunon, Roxy. Kilos, Roxy. Okay. Winter na kasi, Rox. Kaya kailangan maglaba, Rox. Okay? Okay, guys. Laba muna ako, guys. And I will see you later. Kasi ang hirap, guys. Ang dami. Tignan mo kung sinong andyan. Yan. Gusto ni Dimples yan. Yung ganon. Tignan nyo yung isa, guys. Oh. You took too much. You do. Guys, nakaupo lang ako dito. Nakatingin dyan. Nagbilang ka naman day ako. Ay, nakita nyo dun. Hoy, nagbilang ka man ako. Huwag kang magbilang ka, inday. Nakatingin lang ako sa washing machine, guys. Na parang mesmerizing. Pero ito, grabe, nakipag-usap talaga. Tignan nyo itong dalawa. No, si din gusto dong makisali. Roxy? What do you want? What do you want? Pagkatapos ko kasi silang labhan, guys, lalot na malaki siya, so dinadry ko siya, and then hindi talaga siya na-dry ng buo, so nilagay ko sa labas. Adoy, ginoo ko. Ganda ng panahon, guys, katapos ko lang naligo. Anyway, buti na lang naalala ko, iyan, para siyang cross stitch, oh hindi siya, para siyang, you know, parang sinulid na ginawa, so buti na lang naalala ko na hindi siya pwede i-dryer, kaya kapag i-dryer kasi siya mag-shrink. So, I think ito okay na yan. Malapit na. Ay, uga na yan. Ito, bago ko lang nilagay. Anyway, so late na, guys. It's almost 4 o'clock. Almost 4 o'clock. And nag-ano lang ako. Mag-edit pa ako ngayon, guys. Tapusin ko yung in-edit ko. And then, gawa tayo ng title. Yun. Ilagay ko lang kayo dito. And tapusin ko lang itong nilabhan ko.